Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chang Nyak, and today I want to speak from the heart, not just as a South Sudanese, but as a human being who believes in justice, peace and dignity for all people. South Sudan is in crisis. While the world may not be watching, our people are suffering, and it is time to tell the truth. On Thursday, the National Election Commission in South Sudan appealed for funding to hold free, fair and credible election by December 2026. Commissioner Amos Juma stated that without funding, voter registration, civic education and the entire electoral process will collapse. The plan is to raise $2 million, but so far the government is only committing 15% of that. That is not enough. Edmund Yakani from CEPO has also warned that preparations are less than 50% complete. There is no proper budget, no unified forces, no finalized constitution and no population census. The elections are in serious danger of being delayed or manipulated, and this affects every citizen. While the commission is asking for funds, the people on the ground are crying for safety. In Upper Nile, civilians have been bombed and displaced. In western Equatoria, there have been attacks on villages, with women and children caught in the middle. The Nuer community in particular has been bombarded by government forces simply for being accused of supporting Dr. Riek Machar. Let me ask you, since when did political support become a crime, punishable by airstrike? The government claims to preparing for democracy, but at the same time, it is attacking its own people. Let's talk about Tonj East, where communities are killing each other over internal conflict, and no reconciliation effort has been made. In Unity State, cattle raiding is destroying livelihood. Innocent people are losing their own source of survival, and the government remains silent. The Murle Militia has continued to abduct Nuer and Dinka children. Families are mourning, mothers are screaming, and no one is held accountable. When will this government act? When will we stop treating Nuer blood, Dinka blood as if it is cheaper than politics or any tribe that is facing this situation in South Sudan? And the government is silent. The sad truth is this: South Sudan is not united. It is a country pretending to be at peace, while our children are being kidnapped, our cattle stolen, and our civilians bombed. If we truly want election, we need security. If we truly want democracy, we need truth and reconciliation. And if we truly want a future, we need leaders who will put people before power. So I ask you, share this message. Let the voice of the victim be heard. Let the silence of the government be exposed. To the people of South Sudan, you are not forgotten. Your pain is real. Your voice matters. And to the international community, stop funding destructions. Start funding peace and accountability. Like, comment and subscribe. But more than that, speak out wherever you are, because silence is not an option anymore. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay hopeful. The dawn will come, but only if we rise together.